All right, so this is Friday night's homework, practicing complementary and supplementary angles. Just a quick review, complementary angles are two angles that have a sum of 90 degrees. So that means they add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles, just like supplementary straight line, those two angles sit on a straight line and their sum is 180 degrees. So that means they add up to 180 degrees. So as you see for the homework tonight, we are finding four different values, and I'm going to go through with you how to find those values and also the answers, just in case you do not understand how to do this. So to start with, the first one we're finding is the value of A. So you'll see here, I find my A on my diagram, and I'm going to go ahead and trace the angle that the measurement A is in. Now I need to look at all of the angles around it and find one that has either a supplementary or a complementary, either a supplementary or a complementary relationship with angle A. I see that this angle that is 102 degrees is adjacent to angle 2A plus 14, and so I see that these two here would be supplementary because they sit on that straight line, which means that they would add up to 180 degrees. So 2A plus 14 plus my 102 will be equal to the 180 degrees. Now I'm going to combine like terms. So that's going to give me 2A plus 116 is equal to 180, and this is the part where you should be on autopilot at this point in terms of solving. So I get rid of my subtraction or addition first. This will give me 164, then divide by 2, and that's going to give me, so 50, it's going to give me 82. So A is equal to 82. The next one I'm needing to find is B. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to highlight angle B, and I'm looking for any angles around it that would either have a complementary or a supplementary relationship with B. I see that if this here is a right angle, that means that B and 57 must be complementary. They must add up to 90 degrees. So 57 plus my B will be equal to 90. When I want to see what my B is, I solve the equation and get a total of 33. Okay. Now we have C. So I find my C down here. I'm going to highlight my angle C, and I'm trying to find what angles around it have either a complementary or supplementary relationship with it. And I see here that my 120 degrees and my 4C minus 9 sit on this straight line here, which means that it adds up to 180 degrees. So that gives me 4C minus 9 plus my angle that is 121 will equal 180. So negative 9 plus 121 that will give me 112. I'm going to subtract 112 from both sides. So it's going to give me 168 divided by 4. So C is going to equal 25, 15, 2, 42. Okay? Finally, we have D. So my D is here. So I'm going to trace my angle D, and I see that this angle here, that is a right angle, is sitting on this straight line. So from here to here is 180 degrees. So I know that 6D plus the 90-degree right angle is equal to 180 degrees. When I solve, that cannot, 90 divided by 6. So D should be equal to 15. So the whole key to being able to solve these is zooming in on just the one that you're solving for and figuring out what the neighboring angles have in terms of a relationship with the one that you're looking for. Okay, hope that helps. Have a great weekend.